YouTube family, we're going to do some spicy chicken tenders Mack style, which means it's going to be simple and easy. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to add in our flavors. We got 14 chicken tenders in the bowl. I'm only going to cook 7. So the first thing I'm going to add to this is 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of spicy seasoning. All right, the next thing I'm going to add is a half a tablespoon of paprika, and I'm also going to toss in some of this here Yummies blackened seasoning. This is some good stuff, y'all. If you want to try some of this here Yummies blackened seasoning, there is the website below. So I'm adding in about a half a tablespoon of this here as well. Then I have some lemon pepper. It's lit. Misha from Misha's Corner made this here. You can also purchase this if you would like to try it. And there is the website for the seasoning. Now, since we got all our flavors in, I want you to go ahead and mix this together with your hand. Get those flavors into that meat. You're definitely going to love this recipe. Don't go nowhere, because if you do, you're going to miss it. Now I'm using my seasoned cast iron skillet. Now, the thing about my skillet is I don't have to put no olive oil or nothing in it because it's seasoned to perfection already. If your skillet isn't seasoned, go ahead and add you at least around about a tablespoon of olive oil, or you could use 1 tablespoon of butter if you would choose to. But now, since I'm just adding this here chicken tenders to the skillet, the only thing I want to do is just basically just cook these babies up a little bit until they get an internal temperature of 160 degrees, or you could just go ahead and cook them until they're brown on each side. And then once that is done, once your chicken tenders are done, I want you to go ahead and remove your chicken tenders from your pan, and I will show you the next step. Okay, so don't go nowhere. Let's get it done, y'all. We're about to do this thing, and I'm telling you, this is an easy spicy chicken tender recipe. You will love it. Trust and believe me, y'all. I would not pull your leg for nothing. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then after the olive oil, we're going to take our soy sauce, and I'm using dark soy sauce. Now, you don't have to use the dark soy sauce. You could just use the regular soy sauce if you like, and I'm just going to add at least 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce to this as well. And the next ingredients that I'm going to do add to this is going to be 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. This is going to give us that nice little kick in the back of our throat with the little heat part. And I love this here red hot chili sauce. It's really good, y'all. I'm telling you right now, it's really good. Then I'm going to toss in some of this here Sriracha. Okay, so with the Sriracha sauce, I want you to add in 1 tablespoon of Sriracha sauce. That's all you're going to need for that. Then we're going to toss in some ketchup. All right, and the measurements for the ketchup is going to be 2 tablespoons of ketchup. All right, and after that, we're going to go ahead and toss in some hot sauce. Use your favorite hot sauce. It don't matter. At least 2 teaspoons of hot sauce will work for this here. Now, as far as the garlic goes, you can either use fresh garlic, minced garlic, you can use garlic paste. It doesn't matter. But I want you to go ahead and add you some garlic, at least around about 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now, the next thing I want you to add to this as well is add you some parsley. This will give it some flavor. And then I want you to mix all of these ingredients together. Now, I do have my skillet on low heat. This is on low heat. So I did turn my skillet down to low. Okay, so I want you to turn your skillet to low. I'm just repeating it so you can understand what I'm saying to you. Turn your skillet to low. Now, once you've mixed your sauce together, I want you to go ahead and add your chicken tenders back to this here sauce. I just want you to allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes is up, take these babies out of the skillet, serve them up on a plate. I don't care how you serve them. You can serve it with salad, you can serve it with fries, you can serve it with whatever you want. You could either eat these babies by themselves. If you feel like it, put it between 2 little Kaiser roll buns and eat it just like that, if that's all you want to do with your spicy chicken tenders. Give this here recipe a try. I tell you the truth, and I guarantee You will love this here recipe. Thank you so much for checking out this video. But before you leave, you better not go nowhere. Check out the full video. Now I decided to have me some sweet peas and some corn with my chicken tenders, okay? This is all I basically need just to make myself a good meal. And I say this, y'all, listen to me. This is a quick recipe for you to try, all right? And on top of that, you will definitely love it. So I want to say thank you so much for watching Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Please hit that subscribe button and also comment below. Let me know what you would like to see in the future. Give this video a thumbs up. And I always say these words before I leave. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. I love you all. Peace.